Hello, here's SWC team, and you are watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and SWC over the past weeks. In this release, UST solutions were presented at Forum in Indonesia. New SWC Award, Leaders Today. Podcast with Alexey Sukhodoev. Let's not waste time and get straight to the first event. According to Press Center of UST Incorporated, the UST unmanned vehicle was part of the 19th ITS Asia-Pacific Forum in Jakarta. The event is dedicated to the development of smart transport systems in Asia-Pacific region. The event brought together transport industry experts, officials, inventors, and opinion leaders to discuss the latest trends and emerging technologies driving the transition to sustainable and intelligent urban mobility. SWC took part in the Leaders Today Award. It is awarded for personal achievements, service to society, and participation in socially significant projects to members of business clubs, politicians, well-known figures of science and culture, diplomats, as well as representatives of fashion and sports. The event has been running since 2015, and this year it was organized by Leaders Today magazine and the Leaders Today business community. Alexey Sukhodoev, co-founder of the SWC social venture ecosystem, is visiting Elena Pichushkina, the presenter of the new issue of 1-2 Sky. In this podcast, you will learn not only about the community driving projects, string transport, and biohumus, but also about the SWC marathon launched this year. That was the main news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you soon.